No, you got to start right away.
I can get to work.
Sometimes the best ideas begin.
It starts with design, right? Like what we're doing here on the whiteboard.
Say we have
The first 5 levels, I want to make sure it's perfect.
Oh, nice.
Like it's really easy to just make an effect.
With a brainstorming
We
session.
came up with a formula to represent.
We start off with an idea,
So now,
It's just this scary thing coming towards us.
if I build again,
and then it just turns into something else.
Or maybe,
Yeah.
it's done. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers.
People feeding off of each other.
Nice, dude.
Just flirting out ideas.
it's actually pretty good.
You can create things
User interface, role-playing game.
That'd be pretty cool.
together.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah.
Things you might not have been able to do all by yourself.
It works.
Cool apps, video games, or really just something that they think is awesome.
I did something.
For these high schoolers and college students,
It's pretty awesome, right?
It is.
the idea
It was like a big fork in the road.
is one thing.
All right.
But getting it done can't be done without
What is it?
code.
Font size 2.1 M.
It's like the manuscript to a book.
Dot home, pound nav, li.
What our mechanics are.
Margin 0, padding 1 M.
It's a set of commands to perform a task.
Transition background color.
There's got to be a really simple explanation.
It's basically just a lot of math.
1,000 milliseconds linear.
That's what today is all about.
It's code day.
We're gonna make it.
They've already been at it 4 hours.
The beauty of it is that you get to meet people who want to do this.
They have 20 hours to go in this programming marathon.
So we stay up all night and we drink soda and we code.
Definitely pace yourself.
And then it gets tired and weird, but it's whatever. We just keep coding.
I've done this before, like at home, but I don't know about Jackson. I mean,
You have 24 hours, so, make the best of it.
Everyone here has their eyes on the prize.
I'm working on a website. Alex is working on a game.
A potential Android app here,
So I go 1, 2, 3.
a social media interface there,
A way to graphically represent hashtag and tweet popularity.
a horror video game by this group.
It's underway.
Yeah. I just finished the soundtrack, so.
Let's listen. And let's also listen to Alex explain
theoretically,
how his game will work.
then you can take a grid cell and put it back into the original level without affecting the rest of the grid.
It's very complicated. I don't understand it either.
The goal is to get it all done by the end of the 24 hours and then present to the entire group.
It's almost more of a sprint than a marathon.
It's now midnight, the halfway mark, with 12 hours to go.
I'm starting to wonder what I'm doing.
The challenge is to stay awake till the end.
There's usually music going on.
Along the way,
Seeing a little double.
If you get too tired, you're gonna start writing sloppy code.
Okay.
no one is asleep.
Not even.
Not yet.
So what I need to return.
8 hours later,
Very long night, yeah. Started to get a bit delirious there.
different story. Asleep, 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 awake.
Just been running into some complications code-wise.
Barely.
Get ready to present, grab your laptop, grab your connector.
Yeah, they want to start.
I'm not sure how we're gonna do this. Sounds like really complicated. And it almost tells a story.
In the end,
That is all.
for some of these groups on this code day,
So are you ready to go?
24 hours wasn't enough time
I wouldn't even say we came close.
to cross that marathon finish line.
Basically, we're trying to become the master of our domain.
Physics and a whole world.
Including our friends who had this idea.
A kind of creepy game, but we ended up running into some technical problems.
Zach, what do you say?
I had to.
He just fell asleep in this interview.
I know, I'm so sorry.
All they need
I want to finish this game.
is another day,
Absolutely.
another 24 hours,
Sleep deprived with a bunch of people you don't know.
and a good night's sleep.
I've been to every single code day and I keep coming back.
John Sharifi, King 5 News.
You gotta keep going, and it's becomes the worst and best experience you can ever have.